Hi everyone, my name is Regina Jimenez, and this is my icebreaker. So I am entering my second year at Widener. I am a part-time student. I live in Elkins Park. I currently supervise a Medicaid waiver for the state of New Jersey, and I also do quality assurance for my company as well, and I'm also the head trainer. Um, so my experience with learning research, it's not a whole lot. My undergraduate major is political science, so there was a lot of kind of research for my thesis and papers and things like that, but really kind of ongoing in my work. There's not a whole lot of learning research that I do, although since I've been recently promoted at my company, I've had to learn a lot more about Medicaid and state regulations. So I'm kind of getting a little bit more into that. Um, Research is fun for me. I actually do enjoy it, but in particular when it's a topic that I'm very passionate about. Um, Healthcare, human rights issues, women's reproductive issues, immigration issues. So those are things that are very important to me, and things I care very deeply about and I advocate about. So if there's topics that are of interest to me, I find that it's a lot easier to do the research. Uh, and in regards to the syllabus, after looking it over, the thing I think I'm most excited about is the project. I saw one of the I guess companies or nonprofits was a transitional housing unit, and that was actually one of the very first social work jobs that I had. I managed a transitional housing unit in Germantown, so I got really excited when I saw that because that was really kind of one of the things that made me fall in love with social work and one of the things that I was really passionate about. So I'm really excited for the class and I'm really excited to work with everyone and I wish everyone a really fantastic semester. Thank you.